Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you a practice turnover report. The practice turnover report provides a monthly analysis of the number of procedures, consultations, medications, materials, and cash flow, depending on the speciality of the practice. The practice turnover report also provides an annualized turnover rate average for all months included in the report. First, let us go over how to navigate to the practice turnover report panel. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the report segment to open the dashboard screen. Navigate to the practice turnover report panel, which is automatically expanded. Now we will go over the contents of the practice turnover report panel. A breakdown of various procedures, consultations, medications, materials, and cash flow will be displayed on a graph. The graph is separated by the X and Y axes. The X axis will contain the date on which each item was billed, and the Y axis will display the total of each item. A legend will be available to assist the user with differentiating between each color-coded item. Please note that in order to exclude any items on the legend from the graph, click on the item that the user wishes to remove. In order to get a detailed breakdown of the information found on the practice turnover report, such as the cash flow on specific dates, turnover, and VAT, click on the Details button. The Detailed View Practice Turnover screen will open. Various fields are available showing the total of each respective column between the selected dates. A more detailed overview is given of the total fields, which are broken down into separate transaction dates. An entity is a financial organization which has a unique practice number, and the entity column will display the number linked to the current entity being used. The date on which the transaction occurred for any items or services provided will be shown under the transaction date column. The visits column will show the number of patients that visited the practice on the specified date. The new debtors per entity column will show how many debtors have joined the practice on the specified date. The number of new patients that have joined the practice on the specified date will be displayed under the new patients per entity column. The total price, including VAT, of all procedures and consultations, materials, and medications that were billed on the specified date will be displayed under the related columns. The procedure and consultations, including VAT column, will display totals for each consultation and procedure codes used. The materials, including VAT column, will display the totals for each materials code billed. The total for the medication codes billed will display under the medications including VAT column. The amount of money including VAT that has been received in the practice on a specified date will be displayed under the cash flow including VAT column. The turnover excluding VAT column will show the amount of money billed on a specific date excluding the VAT amount. The total value added tax of the turnover on a specific date will be shown in the VAT column. The turnover including VAT column will show the amount of money billed on a specific date including the VAT amount. The user is able to navigate through the results using the page forward and page backward arrows. To return back to the dashboard screen, click on the Cancel button. If the user would like to download a CSV format of the information displayed and return back to the dashboard screen, click on the Download button. Now we will go over the additional options found within the Practice Turnover Report panel. If the user would like to download the graph into a CSV format, click on the Download button. Click on the Refresh button to refresh the graph if any changes were made but not applied yet. The user is able to change the date range from when the information is filtered from, and to when the information can be filtered to. A date picker will open by either field, where the user is able to select the desired dates. The user is also able to hover over the graph bars for a preview of the total of each item.